Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to customize the speed of your video only with Capcut application on iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Capcut application and you just need to go click this create, or you can also use your previous project that you have. And here to customize this speed, you just need to go click this clip, and after that there will be activate several tools down here, and then you just need to go click the speed. If you want to have the fluctuative speed for your video, you just need to go into the curve, and there will be like several suggestions or template that you can use for the speed. But if you want to create it by yourself, just go into the customs, go click twice, and now you can start to adjusting the speed. If you want to make it like faster, go drag this dot or point here into the upper part. But then if you want to make it like become slower, go click this into the down part, and you can just adjusting everything by yourself. And after you're done adjusting the speed, go click this checklist button and done. So that's the way how to customize the speed on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.